Reaction of hydrochloric acid. So always remember, you have to use protective gears. And whenever you're pouring acids in a test tube, and this is your test tube holder, we have to tilt the test tube and pour the acid in this way. So here I am taking hydrochloric acid. Okay. And let me put the cap. Since it's a volatile acid, it vaporizes. Now next I'm going to take a metal zinc. This is zinc metal, it's hard. Now see what happens. One small pellet of this zinc metal, and let us see. Here I'm going to take zinc metal. This is how it looks. Here we go, it's hard. And I'm going to put this inside the acid. Then what do you notice in this acid? So I'm going to put this. You will notice the zinc starts to dissolve in this acid, thereby producing a gas. Now let us see which gas does it produce. So whether this gas produced will make the sound of popping. As you can hear, that's a popping sound. So now you will notice when a metal zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid, it produces salt and hydrogen gas with a popping sound. So you'll notice the zinc metal completely dissolves in the hydrochloric acid. So we will keep this for the further observation.